Hello everyone, this is Professor Hitesh Matre, HOD, Computer Engineering Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn about unit number 4, Array and Structure, and the topic is operations on array. Now these are the operations that will be carried out on the array, like traverse, means printing all the array elements one by one, insertion, adds an element at a given index, deletion, delete an element at a given index, search, searches an element using the given index or by the value, update, update an element in the given index. First is a traverse operation. This operation is used to traverse through the elements of an array. Now this is example. See, this is say array whose size is say 5, and say we have 5 elements. Then we have a variable item whose value is 10, a variable k whose value is 3, and variable n whose value is 5. So for the loop I equal to 0 and say j equal to n. So original array elements are for I equal to 0. So starting from 0 and I should be less than n. So I should be less than 5, I plus plus. Then simply display the value of LA, that is the element of an array. So output. So original elements in an array are LA at 0 is 1. So we can see at the first location it is 1. Then at LA of 1 is 3. At the second location is 3. Then 5, 7 and 8. So we can see we have traversed through an array one by one. So we have checked all the elements in an array. Next is the insertion operation. Now insert operation is to insert one or more data elements in an array. So this is a program. So the initial code here we can see it is the same like we have seen in the traversing, that is to go through the original elements, and then what I am doing here is increasing the size, that is n plus 1, because we are inserting an element. So initially it was 5, so it will become a 6. Then while j greater than equal to k, so here k the value of is 3, means I want to enter the element at location 3, that is index number 3. Then it will check, that is LA of j plus 1, value of j plus 1. So initially j is 5, so 5 plus 1 6 equal to LA of j, means what it will do, it will shift the elements, that is it will shift the fifth element to the sixth position, then fourth element to the fifth position, and third element to the fourth position up to the value that is k, that is 3. So your value at location 3 will be free. So this code will do the same thing. Then LA of k, that is of LA of 3 equal to item, so that is 10. So 10 will be stored at this location k, that is 3. Then after insertion, what you see, you will display the elements of an array like what we have seen in the traversing. So original elements, that is LA of 0 is 1 original, then at location number 1 is 3, at location number 2 is 5, location number 3 is 7, and location number 4 is 8. Now after insertion, at location 0 is okay fine 1, location 1 is 3, location 2 is 5, at location number 3, that is k, see we have done here LA of k is equal to item. So at location number 3 we can see the element that is added as 10. Then at location number 4 we can see the value 7, so that we have shifted from 3 to 4, and the location number 5 we have 8, so that was shifted again one place. So we have inserted this element in an array. So this is how your insertion operation works. Next is deletion. So you want to delete a particular element from an array and then again rearrange the array. So again somewhat similar code. So here what we are saying is the initial part, see k equal to 3. So we want to delete the element at a third location. So again that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we will be deleting 7 from this element. So we have specifying the index. So this code for loop is to display the elements. Now j equal to k. j equal to k. So what we're doing, we are shifting again -1. So while inserting, what we have done, we have increased the size, that is +1 +1. So here what we'll be doing, we will be decreasing the size. So a of j minus 1 equal to j means, like considering this location, so that is 2. So instead of 2, the value of 3 will be placed here. Instead of the value of the 3, the value of 4 will be placed here. So here what we can see is shifting, then reducing the size, n equal to n minus 1. So initially it was 5, so this will become 4. So just deletion. So this is our original array, that is at the 0th location we have 1, then 3, 5, 7 and 8. So we have deleted at the location k equal to 3. So at 0 we have 1, at 1 we have 3, at 2 we have 7. So that is the third element we have deleted, then 7 and 8. So we have deleted the 5, so size becomes 4 here. So we have deleted the element, that is the third element. Then the search operation. Now you want to search based on the index or based on the value, whether that element is present or not. So again, the initial, what we can see here displaying the original element, what we have done is say item equal to 5. So I want to see whether 5 is present or not. Now this n is nothing but a size. So we'll see, while j is less than n, so initially j is 0. So from 0 to n, from 0 to n means 0 to 5, it will check. See, if LA of j means if LA of 0 is equal to item, that is 5. So LA of 0 is nothing but, we can see here in the output, the original element, that is 1, 3, 5 and 7. So check LA of 0 is equal to item. Item is 5. So is 1 equal to 5? No. Then okay. Condition is false. So increase j. J becomes 1. So now LA of 1 becomes 3. Is 3 equal to 5? No. Again condition false. Increase j. So j becomes now 2. So LA of 2 is equal to 5. Is 5 equal to 5? Yes. Now condition is true. So break. So it will come out of the loop and then it will display the print found element at position. So found element 5 and position is j plus 1. So position it was 2, that is j value was 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So at the third position. So you can see a found element 5 at third position, that is 1, 2 and 3. So at the third position we have found the particular value. Then the update operation. Update operation refers to an updating an existing element from an array at a given index. See here we can see the same code for displaying your elements of an array. So again we have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8 displayed here. Then LA of k minus 1. So here the value of k is 3. So that is I want to change at the third location. So for array 3 means it becomes a second, that is 0, 1, 2. So for that's why I'm writing here k minus 1 equal to item. So that is instead of 5, the value of item, that is 10, should be replaced. The 10 should be replaced. Now update, after updation we can see LA of 0 is 1, LA of 2, 1 is 3 and LA of 2 became 10. See here it was 5 which I have replaced, so I have updated that value. Then LA of 3 is as it is 7, LA of 4 is as it is 8. So this is how your update operation works. Now these are the links and books used as a references for the content that I have presented here. If you have doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.